2019 is proving to be a great year for BMW Motorrad once again. To date, we have already sold more motorcycles than ever before. That means we are well on track to finish 2019 as the 9th record sales year in succession.
And infotainment. Very important, both for sale strength.
Now it's my pleasure to show you what's next to continue our success story. At the Villa d'Este, we presented this BMW Motorrad Concept R18 for the large cruiser segment. The outstanding positive feedback was overwhelming. The focus of this concept bike is on simplification. It is authentic and highly emotional. It is a purist inspired by our heritage. For 2020, we are working on a second concept bike, the R18/2. It's my pleasure to confirm that the series bike will come to the market in the second half of next year. The official name for this BMW cruiser will be BMW R18. Entering the cruiser segment is an important step in strengthening the growth of BMW Motorrad, especially here in the US market. We are very confident that it's going to be a big success here and a milestone for our goal to lead the premium motorcycle market.